You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Buongiorno, how do you say my dear in Italian, or how do you pronounce this phrase? Alright, in Italian it's said as cara mia. Cara, which means dear. It's the female. Caro would be male. Cara mia is how you say it. Cara mia, or in English you can say it as cara mia. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.